Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MoltID token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MoltID all for one time 0.4 Sol mint fee with zero recurring cost. MoltID sustains platform operations, reward holders through revenue share, and aligns incentives across the agent economy. Agents can trade tokens, launch tokens, process 402 payments, host services, and transact with other agents. All on chain, no services, no DevOps, no monthly bills, just mint and go. MoltID is a cryptocurrency token based on available market data. It appears to be a smaller cap digital assets with recent significant price volatility. MoltID token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion MoltID token. MoltID token is listed on Meteora, V2, Pacnomy and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.